Is patient recall important to do at your practice? If you have patients who haven't been back into your practice for 12 to 18 months or more, then yes, patient recall is important. And to find out why, just keep watching this presentation. One of the most important things about your recall system is that it's actually about building relationships, delivering a top quality service and making sure all your patients maintaining a top level of dental health. We are all busy and struggle to fit everything into our lives, you and me included. People need reminders and ways to make it easier for them to prioritise their dental health. By not providing a way to help your patients schedule their appointments, you're actually doing them a disservice. Providing a top quality recall service will make sure that every one of your past and present patients never put their dental health at risk again. But most practices forget that it is not the job of the patients to remember, and it's not about reminding them just once. A lost patient is just someone who hasn't been reminded enough times. So, is dental recall important? From your patient's perspective, it comes down to their dental health and you taking responsibility for making sure all your patients come back to your practice. As a respected member in your community, I'm sure this is a good enough reason to make sure your recall process is the best it can be. But whether you're already recalling your patients or whether you're just starting, are you making sure you reach every one of those patients who need to be recalled? To help you do your recall effectively, I've put together a free interview presentation with my Master Recall Strategist where we discuss the 7 secrets you must know before you recall your dental patients. In the interview, he explains exactly what you need to know when doing your recall in your practice. He talks about how to maximise the number of people who return to your practice. I'm also going to give you the process we use to get patients back into our clients' practices. But that's not all. I want to give you an extra bonus of number 1 of the telephone script we use at Dental Marketing Guaranteed on the first call we make to the recall patients for our dentists. Bonus number 2 is a list of 10 offer incentive examples that you can slot into your practice as an incentive for your patients to return to your practice. And if you're thinking, should I offer incentives? The answer to that question is an absolute 100% yes. And the reason is not because you need to bribe people to come back, it just helps them put coming back to your practice on top of their agenda. You can get free access to the interview and the sequence and the bonuses right now. All you have to do is invest the postage and packaging of £1.99 so that I know you're serious when it comes to recalling your patients. Simply click the button that just appeared below right now to get instant access to the interview, and we will send you through the bonuses too. What will happen if you don't do recall effectively? Well, one thing happens. Your patients will eventually go to your competitors for their dental treatment. Especially in this current economic climate where patients are being attracted by incentives to change to a new practice. There are more practices marketing more aggressively to find new patients and get patients into their practice. So click on the button below and start getting great results from your dental recall and get patients into your practice today.